compelling aesthetics of 2025 luxury cars, exterior, interior, and performance. Luxury cars in 2025 continue to push the boundaries of design, innovation, and performance, blending futuristic aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. Automakers are redefining elegance by integrating aerodynamic efficiency, sustainable materials, and state-of-the-art engineering. From the exterior to the interior and under the hood, these vehicles showcase a seamless fusion of artistry and engineering that sets new benchmarks in the automotive world. Luxury car exteriors in 2025 have taken a bold turn with sleek, sculpted lines that enhance aerodynamics while maintaining a commanding presence on the road. LED lighting technology has evolved to include customizable laser and OLED headlamps that adapt to driving conditions. Grills are now multifunctional, not just serving aesthetic purposes but also improving airflow management and housing advanced driver assistance systems. The shift towards sustainability has led to the widespread use of carbon fiber, lightweight aluminum, and recycled composites, ensuring that beauty doesn't come at the cost of efficiency. Many high-end manufacturers are integrating active aerodynamics, including adaptive spoilers and air curtains, to reduce drag and enhance stability at high speeds. Paint finishes have also advanced, featuring self-healing nano coatings and color-shifting properties that create a dynamic visual effect. Stepping inside a 2025 luxury car is like entering a first-class lounge infused with intelligent technology. Interiors are designed to prioritize comfort, connectivity, and an immersive experience. Premium materials such as vegan leather, sustainable wood veneers, and 3D knitted fabrics provide an opulent yet environmentally conscious touch. Ambient lighting has become highly customizable, allowing occupants to create personalized atmospheres with dynamic color shifts. AI-powered assistants are now deeply integrated into infotainment systems, enabling voice and gesture control for nearly every function. Panoramic smart glass roofs enhance the sense of openness, automatically adjusting transparency to optimize natural light while maintaining privacy. Seating has become a marvel of engineering, with adaptive bolsters, climate control, and massage functions ensuring unparalleled comfort. High-resolution displays have replaced traditional dashboards, offering augmented reality projections for navigation, driver alerts, and entertainment. Audio systems are now designed with 3D spatial sound, creating an immersive listening experience that adapts to the cabin's acoustics. Beneath the sleek exteriors and lavish interiors, the powertrains of luxury cars in 2025 represent a revolution in automotive performance. The industry has seen a dramatic shift toward electrification, with many brands offering all-electric or hybrid models that deliver instant torque and seamless acceleration. Advanced solid-state batteries are now the norm, providing greater range and shorter charging times. Some manufacturers have also incorporated hydrogen fuel cells to achieve zero-emission driving without compromising on power. Traditional combustion engines, where still used, are enhanced with mild hybrid systems and sophisticated turbocharging technologies to maximize efficiency and performance. Chassis dynamics have been refined with adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and AI-driven predictive handling systems that adjust in real time based on road conditions. Brake-by-wire systems, coupled with regenerative braking, ensure optimal stopping power while recovering energy to enhance efficiency. Autonomous driving technology has reached new heights, with Level 4 autonomy becoming a standard feature, allowing drivers to engage in other activities while the vehicle seamlessly navigates highways and urban environments. Luxury cars in 2025 embody a perfect blend of artistry and technology, delivering an experience that goes beyond transportation. Every detail, from the meticulously crafted exterior to the high-tech interior and the groundbreaking powertrains, reflects an industry that is not just evolving but setting new standards for the